Hi ladies, in this video we're going to go through the more challenging questions for 8B. So this is unions and intersections, so make sure you understand it before you watch this video. Alright, so question 8. A letter is chosen at random from the word complementary and two events C and D are as follows. So C is choosing a letter belonging to the word complete. So you can see we're not looking at the full word, just the individual letters, and D, we're looking at the letters belonging to the word cement. So question A, we're going to create a Venn diagram, and we've got to include all the letters that make up the word complementary. So I'm going to draw my Venn diagram. Probably should have drawn my circles first and then my rectangle, but it's all good. All right, and this is event C and event D, so don't get confused with the letters. All right, so when you're looking at your word, I might just scroll up because we can't see the other word, complete. So just go through each letter in complementary first. So C is common to both complete and cement, so it goes in here. O is in complete. M is in both. P is in complete. L is in complete. E is in both. M, now we've already included one M, so we'll put the other M out here. So we can only include it once. E is included twice in both words, so we'll put that here. N is in cement. T is in cement. Oh, sorry, and incomplete. Oopsies. Let me just rub that out. Okay, T and A, R, and Y are in neither, so we put that on the outside. Look, it spells Mary. All right, question B, part I. We want to find the probability, so the probability not belonging to, belonging to C. So count up how many letters you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. And we have 13 letters in total if you count up the word complementary. All right, the probability of belonging to C and D. So we want C and D, so the intersection belonging to C and D. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you should simplify that to 1/3. Part 3, we've got the probability. Oh, did I write D? Sorry, I'm rushing here. C or D is everything. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. God, I always get stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 out of 13. Not belonging to C. So the probability of not C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, why am I doing over 15? Sorry, girls. I can't delete the video either because I'm under time pressure. Oh, gosh. Sorry, that should have been 13. Let's just fix that up. I'm rushing, and my neighbor, I don't know whether you can hear him, is being very noisy and it's distracting me, although I should never blame someone else. All right, and then lastly, belonging to neither C nor D. So the probability of C, oh, sorry, let me just fix that up. Okay, not C and not D. So we've only got the MARY, so 4/13, belonging to neither C nor D. Okay, sorry about that. Let's start afresh with question 9. I love these ones because you've got to just fill in the table. So basically your rows and your columns all have to add up to each other. So we're looking here at a total of 6. That makes this one 3. So 3 plus 3 gives you 6. We can also put a 5 here. Down this column, 3 plus 1 gives you 4. Then what do we need to add to 4 to get to 11? That's going to be 7. And then the 4 here. So just filling in the table and doing the same for this one. Okay, and then it has no total here, but you should get 12. All right, in a group of 12 chefs, all enjoy baking cakes and or tarts. In fact, 7 enjoy baking cakes and 8 enjoy baking tarts. Find out how many chefs enjoy baking both cakes and tarts. All right, so in a question like this, you could do in a Venn diagram, or you can do in a two-way table. So since we've got the two-way tables above, I'm going to just do that. So what have we got? Cakes. So we'll do cakes and not cakes, tarts and not tarts. Apologies for my noisy neighbor. Okay, so we've got 12 chefs. So 12 here. 7 enjoy baking cakes. So 7 here. And 8 enjoy baking tarts, so that's going to be 8. So then we just got to find out how many chefs enjoy baking both cakes and tarts. So we've got to work out this number here. So if we work across this way, I know that 7 plus 5 gives me 12, and then 8 plus 4 also gives me 12. Okay, so the other key to this question is it also says they all enjoy baking cakes or tarts. So that means here you're going to have a 0, and that's going to help us fill in this table. So if this is 0, that means this one's going to be 4, because reading across there has to add up to 4. And that makes this cell 3. And when you think about it, if this is 0, that makes this one 5. So C and T, so the probability of what do we got? Cakes and tarts is equal to 3.